So you've probably seen so many videos about how to set and achieve goals. The sad reality is that over 90% of people who set a resolution in January, by the end of January, don't even know what it is anymore. I want to help you to fix that. If you want to know how, make sure you watch the whole of this video. So here are the normal New Year's resolutions. I want to make 10k a month. I want to lose some weight. I want to meditate every single day and get into a zone so I can do loads of stuff. How many people actually succeed? Brutal truth, less than 10% of people get anywhere near achieving or even remembering any of their goals. That sounds harsh. Well, I'm not sorry. But why are you failing? Now this is the interesting one. It's actually not your fault. The thing is, there's a multi-trillion-dollar game being played against you. And it's not with bullets, the war is with rage, with your attention. You're going up against giants like Facebook, YouTube, Netflix, Instagram, TikTok. And these guys are spending billions, if not trillions, to get one thing away from it, which is attention. In a recent Harvard University study, almost 50% of your attention is going to things that you do not want to achieve. Just think about that. For example, in the morning, maybe you're on the phone and you might check your WhatsApp messages, then you hop along to Instagram, hop along to Facebook, hop along to something else. Before you know it, an hour's gone by and you've done nothing. You weren't intending to waste an hour, it's just happened. This is how you're being controlled. The average person already spends about 4 hours a day just glued to their phone, just glued to their social media. This is your time being wasted. And the question is, do you really want this? And let me ask you a question. Do you want to make a difference this year? Instead of just letting yourself down and letting your dreams and the goals and aspirations of your loved ones, people around you down, what could you do differently this year than years before? So here's what you can actually do. You're going to have seen so many videos of people telling you how to set up goals, how to do things in a different way. This hasn't worked. And I'm going to give you the secret right now. It's all about getting support around you. Giving yourself the right framework and the right support is crucial. So if you want to set and achieve goals, message me goals in the comments. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do.